Good morning, students. Today we are going to take our next chapter in our subject English. Children, be ready with your book and open your book to this page where you have your third chapter, and the name of the chapter is Zoo Manners. Actually, it's your poem. So let's see how the poem is. And you know that I am your Farzana ma'am, so no need to introduce myself more and more for you. Okay, have you opened? Are you ready with your books, children? Yes, children, are you ready with your book? This is your page number 24 and we are going to read our poem. Let's start. Zoo Manners. It is written by Eileen Matthias. How you are going to pronounce the poet name? Eileen Matthias. When we visit the zoo, we must, children, can you see my cursor? Okay, I am reading this line which is in the box. When we visit the zoo, we must follow some rules. There are some rules to follow. So these rules are being showcased, displayed in the form of a poem for us. So see how we are going to follow the rules and how careful we should be when we are visiting the zoo. Let's see, let's read. Be careful what you say or do. आप जो भी बोलते हैं, okay, first we'll read and then I'll explain. Be careful what you say or do when you visit the animals at the zoo. Don't make fun of the camel's hump. He is very proud of his noble bump. Don't laugh too much at the chimpanzee. He thinks he is as wise as you or me. And the penguins stuttering around the lake can understand remarks you make. Treat them as well as they do you, and you will always be welcome at the zoo. So children, these are the rules which you have to follow. It's very easy poem, not to explain you much, but we will see each line again with an explanation in the own words. You have to be very careful what you say or do. आप जो भी बोलते हैं, जो भी करते हैं, उसके लिए बहुत सावधान रहना पड़ेगा आपको जू जाते टाइम या विजिट कर रहे हो जब. When you visit the animal, जब एनिमल्स के पास जाते हो आप, ओपन रहते हैं आजकल के जू, ओपन जूज होते हैं. एट द जू डोंट मेक फन, किसका मजाक नहीं उड़ाना चाहिए हमें? कैमल के हम का. हम क्या है उसका? जो पीठ के ऊपर जो उनका एक अलग से पार्ट होता है, उस पार्ट को हमें मजाक नहीं उड़ाना चाहिए. क्यों? ही इज़ वेरी प्राउड. वो पार्ट से वो बहुत प्राउड हैं, वो बहुत काम आता है उनके, वो हम्प जो है. ओके, वो नोबल बम कहलाता है उनका. क्यों? क्योंकि साइंटिफिक रीजंस है, उसमें उनका पानी स्टोर होता है. ओके, डोंट लाफ टू मच, आपको हंसना भी नहीं चाहिए. किस पर? चिंपैंजीज पर. क्यों? क्योंकि वो अपने आप को उतना ही क्लेवर समझते हैं जितना आप और हम हैं. सो अंडरस्टूड, यू शुड नॉट लाफ ऑन एनी एनिमल्स ऑल्सो. एट द पेंगुइन्स, एंड द पेंगुइन्स, पेंगुइन्स क्या है? उनके ऊपर हमें क्या नहीं करना चाहिए? स्टटरिंग अराउंड द लेक, वो पानी में इधर उधर घूमते रहते हैं साउंड निकालते हुए. ओके, स्टटरिंग मतलब थोड़ा साउंड निकालना. कैन अंडरस्टैंड, वो क्या समझते हैं हमारा? जो भी रिमार्क्स हम पास करते हैं, हम हंसते हैं तो वो समझ जाते हैं, हम कुछ उनके ऊपर बुरा बोलते हैं तो वो समझ जाते हैं. दे कैन अंडरस्टैंड आवर लैंग्वेज. तो ट्रीट दैम एज वेल एज दे डू यू, तो उनको भी वैसे ही ट्रीट करना चाहिए जैसे वो मैनरफुली आपको ट्रीट करते हैं. एंड यूल ऑलवेज बी वेलकम, और फिर जू में आपके सारे जानवर जो होते हैं, एनिमल्स, वो आपको बहुत प्यार से, मान सम्मान के साथ आपसे मिलेंगे और आपको स्माइल भी देंगे. ओके चिल्ड्रन, द एनिमल्स ऑल्सो स्माइल. ओके, लेट्स go for the exercise. Children, please go to the next page, page number 25. Now here you are with the box on top of this page. Can you see this box with the meanings, vocabulary? Children, My cursor is over here. Yes. See the first word, it's hump. As I said, it's a part of an animal. What it is a part? A large, round, raised lump or part of an animal's body. Okay, lump होता है और जैसे मैंने साइंटिफिकली बताया, साइंस की बुक में आपको ये पढ़ने मिलेगा. You will read it in your science book from your science teacher that here they store the water, not in the form of water, but there is some other chemical things are there, but when they are thirsty, the stored something chemical which is there in their lump helps them to consume it when they are feeling thirsty and the water is not available. Okay, and it is the name of the part, so it is your part of speech is noun. Let's see the next, noble bump. Noble bump is also the name of some part, so it is a hump that impresses everyone. वो सबको एक्चुअली बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है किसी किसी के जानवर पे ये जो हम्प होता है. इट्स वेरी गुड टू सी some animals with the hump. Okay, it feels proud for them. It's something a proudness for the animals. Okay, let's see the third vocabulary, children. Here, remarks. Remarks is again something, name of some things which you say. When you say or when you write some remark, it's a noun, part of speech, and the meaning of this, something that you say about somebody. आप किसी के बारे में कुछ लिखते हैं या बोलते हैं, वो रिमार्क होता है, अच्छे हो बुरे हो. Okay, then stuttering, it's an action verb. It's a walking proudly with head up and chest out to show that you think you are important. Okay, stuttering matlab it's a walking proudly. As I said, it was some noise. Sorry for that, it's not noise, it is a walking proudly with head up and chest out to show that you think you are important. Okay, this stuttering way of walking is done by the animals and mans also, human beings also. See the next, treat. It is a part of speech verb to behave in a particular way towards somebody. जब आप किसी के साथ किस बिहेवियर से, किस एक्शन से पेश आते हैं, उसको हम ट्रीटमेंट बोलते हैं या ट्रीट बोलते हैं. ओके, ट्रीटिंग द पीपल काइंडली, ट्रीटिंग द पीपल बैडली, इट्स योर वर्ब अगेन. लेट्स सी a little more of the poem. What they are asking us in this questions, answer these questions. What should we be careful about when we visit zoo? What we say and what we do, we should be careful of all our manners. Okay, children. The second question, why should we not laugh at the chimpanzees? Chimpanzees पे हमें क्यों नहीं हंसना चाहिए? क्योंकि वो बहुत क्लेवर होते हैं, वो बहुत वाइज होते हैं. जैसे हम अपने आप को वाइज समझते हैं, क्लेवर समझते हैं, chimpanzees also thinks he is very clever animal. So wise animal कहलाता है chimpanzee. So we shouldn't laugh on them. They will feel bad, na? Yes. The three, the camel is proud of his. There are three options given to us. It's hump. It's very easy. The correct answer is hump. Okay. Then the next, what is the two options were given. 4, where are the penguins stuttering? Penguins जो है एकदम proudly घूम के कहाँ पर रहे हैं? Where they are proudly moving about. They are proudly moving about near the tree or near the lake. It's near the lake. Only two options are given, children. Okay. Let's see discuss the fifth. What does the penguins understand? Penguins क्या समझ जाते हैं? Penguins understand what remarks we give. हम क्या बोल रहे हैं उनके बारे में और क्या means जो भी अच्छा बुरा रिमार्क है वो सब समझ जाते हैं. So we should always be very careful when we are giving remarks to any person, not only penguins but even to our dear near ones, all the people around, all the animals around, and even trees also and plants also. Okay, let's see the match the following. They are telling us to match rhyming words. Rhyming words means what? When they go together with the sound words. Okay, see over here there are three over here given. Do, don't you sound it with zoo? Yes, with the O sound in the end. Then in the B, bump, don't you see it's same over here, the three letters are sounding same, bump, hum. Then the last, lake, make. see the some in some cases in rhyming words the letters also match with each other, in some cases the sound match with each other in rhyming cases. Okay. Now these coloring of the picture is very interesting work which you people love to do it. So you are going to do it and show it to me on my WhatsApp how you have colored your picture. Okay. Color these pictures and make them look beautiful. इनको बहुत ही अच्छा कलरफुल कलर्स देना है, क्रेयॉन कलर से या पेंसिल कलर से. यू आर गोइंग टू कलर इट and you are going to send it to me on my WhatsApp, children. Okay children, so here we have complete discussing our exercise of this poem. We will meet each other in our next video and hope till then you will be learning this poem by heart. It's very easy poem and keep writing all the exercise and sending me on my WhatsApp. Thank you children, have a nice day.